Hello viewers, and welcome to our latest video at Sierra's Travel. Today we're going to try something a little bit different. We're going to do an unboxing video of the brand new GoPro Hero 7 that we just picked up. We'll walk through what's in the box and then do a video comparison between the GoPro Hero 5, which we're using right now to record this, and the new Hero 7, and give you our opinion on whether it's worth the upgrade. So we've taken the plastic off the box, and you can see in typical GoPro fashion, the Hero 7 is fully visible in the clear case on top of the box, and all the fun goodies are in the box. Now just before we dive in, a couple thoughts on why we picked up this camera. GoPro is touting the Hero 7 as having gimbal-like stabilization, which is something we are very excited to check out. In addition, it's 4K video at 60 frames per second, and the camera can take 12 megapixel pictures. It features slow-mo video, time warp video, live streaming, voice control as seen in previous models, and it's rugged and waterproof up to 10 meters. So we're very excited to test out the Hero 7 and see how it compares to our previous Hero 5 model. So opening this box can be a little complicated. What you want to do is turn the box over so it's upside down, and you'll see a little flap right here. Just pull on the flap. Now that the box is open, you want to grab the inner box and pull the entire thing out. Now keep in mind, it is going to be a bit difficult to pull out because it is in there very well. So you're going to have to tug on it just a bit to get this inner box out. But once you do, it will slide right out, as you can see here. Now inside the box you will find GoPro stickers, a visual instructions pamphlet, safety instructions. You'll also find 2 brackets for mounting the GoPro, the USB charging wire, and 1 battery. Now a quick note on the battery. In our experience, the batteries for the GoPro usually don't last longer than about an hour. So you are going to want to pick up some extra batteries if you plan on using the GoPro out and about. And of course you will, that's why you bought it. So a quick inspection of the Hero 7, it looks exactly like the previous 5 and 6. The record button is there on the top, the power button is there on the side, you have a screen in front with the lens. The only thing I've seen different here is that they've added this stylish logo for the Hero 7 on the waterproof case, but other than that, it looks compatible with the 5 and the 6. Okay, so let's install the battery on this GoPro. The first thing you want to do is open the flap there, and it is going to require a bit of force. It is a very tight fit because it's a waterproof case. But open the back there, and what you want to do is with your thumbs, push on the front of the camera as symmetrical as you can. You want to get the camera to slide out of this waterproof case. Again, it is going to require a bit of force, but then once it's out, and we could put the battery in the GoPro. Now I'm not sure if the battery comes charged, but we'll find out together. Now on the bottom of the GoPro there is a little button where you want to push, and as you push, the battery hinge will flip open, and then you can insert the battery. Make sure you insert the battery just the way you see it here. If you try the other way, you will not be able to close the hinge. But we've closed the hinge and the red light has flashed, telling me that the battery does have some charge. And we need to remove this turtle sticker from the back of the GoPro. It is a bit tricky, but it will come off fairly easy. And then we turn the GoPro on and head outside for some testing. So first impressions, the image stabilization looks amazing. As you're walking, it pretty much stays gimbal-like. But in terms of quality, I don't really see a difference. What do you think? Leave some comments, and thanks for watching.